arguably the most luxurious Vauxhall ever built, an Omega 3.2 V6. This one is a one-owner, elite spec, low-mileage example with tons of history, and Dave is keen.
I love Omegas. How many miles on this car?
47,000 miles.
There's no reason why this car shouldn't drive absolutely gorgeous, is there? No reason.
So this could potentially be a good buy for us to do something with.
Yes, but you like to do things to them, don't you? And there's not a great deal you could do with this, is there? Will's want a refurb. I don't think she's in need of any paint, is she, John?
It looks fairly good.
Nice leather, isn't it?
Yes.
Still smells as it should. That's how they smell. That smell tells me that mileage is definitely right. In fact, that smell tells me it's done 20,000 miles, not 40. Oh, John boy, look at it. Look, she's lovely. But look at that. Still got the paper. Still got the paper sticker on there. That is such a genuine straight car. But they were a good car. They are a good car. Oh, she might want a battery. Yeah, wants a battery. It'll stop in a bit. Ah. So she was going to want a battery. A battery, yeah.
It'll start again.
Yeah, yeah. So as well as the alloy wheel refurb, and it wants a battery.
$732, Vauxhall Omega Elite, whereabouts 22, 24, 26, 26, 28, 2,800, 28, 3,003 on the telephone, 33. Internet, you're out. No, you're all done then, 33, 4, 35. On the telephone now, 35. Internet's out, 3,007. 3,007. Internet's out. You out, Andy?
Yeah, we're out.
Oh, you're out. 3,007 for the first, second, third, and last time. Sold.
The Omega will hopefully be a quick turnaround job, so where better to send it than the good people at Classic Car Workshop near Darlington. They recently immaculately nut and bolted our Ford Escort Mexico.
What are you expecting? A Ferrari or Lamborghini?
Yeah, any of them will do. Here it is. It's a
Vauxhall.
Oh, no.
Was it Vauxhall?
Omega.
Oh, God.
Oh,
It's a Will special.
God. Will I love this. Right, on that note, then I'll...
Right, let's all go on.
Yeah.
You don't seem to be impressed.
Definitely not.
Have we really upset you?
Our elite Vauxhall isn't winning the popular vote. But there's been an unlikely conversion to the Omega party.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Even though it's not a Ferrari?
It's not a Ferrari, and it's not VW either. I like it.
I don't think we've had this before, Cal.
What?
We've brought this car for you to all to look at,
And everyone...
and the only members of the team left are you two.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody else has cleared
Has
off.
walked away in shame. What have they brought us?
Those who can be bothered give the Omega a more thorough going over. The exhaust needs work, but otherwise this car is holding its own against some tough critics.
First impressions, Will?
Quite good, actually.
Well, you're almost smiling.
You can tell it hasn't done many miles.
That's the good news, but the iffy electrics could drain any Omega profits. The doors, in particular, take some fathoming out.
It works obviously off the key,
Right.
but it doesn't lock off the central door.
Doesn't even twitch, does it? Oh no, sometimes it goes down and comes back up.
It does a tiny, tiny little bit. And that's supposed to be locked.
But all in all, this could be one of the cheapest restorations we've ever asked for.
So, our short list.
Our short list is brakes, don't need a service, MOT, sort the exhaust out. I would definitely get the wheels redone. Get that door working. Yeah, that's about it, isn't it, really? And a good polish, a really good polish. I think it's going to look great. So, pick it up next week.
And sell it for a profit.
Well, I wouldn't have gone that far, like.
Near Darlington, our Vauxhall Omega is ready for its first job, the blowing exhaust.
Right, that's them two off. And all the rust just hit me on the head. Oh, now you can see the hole.
The little hole.
It's not a little hole, it's a big hole. So that's what we've got to repair.
I've been through our bucket of exhaust bits and I've managed to find a bit very similar. It's got the bend in it. Cut that out, I've cleaned it up, and I'm going to cut the section out of that exhaust and put that in it. What I'll do is I'll tack on the repair section, we'll offer the exhaust pipe up, make sure it all lines up and then weld it properly. So, just to make sure everything sits where it's meant to.
Welding done and exhaust fitted. The acid test is a sonic one.
Oh, listen to that.
Beautiful.
Oh, no
Give
blowing.
it a bit.
Oh, quiet as a mouse.
Gorgeous.
After the exhaust, the other jobs today are routine. First is the brake discs.
Well, they've got a fair old lip on them. And it feels as though the bit at the back is only sort of working on half the disc. When we get it off, we'll know better. See, that's the inside there, and we've only been braking on sort of 2/3 of it, haven't we? You can see where that pad there, that's the one that's been working on the back of this, so it's only been working on from there to there, and this top bit hasn't been doing anything.
The uneven wear due to a binding brake caliper.
But they're due for a replacement by the looks of them. So we've got that nice and clean now. That's sat on there.
The filters and the Omega's oil tell us this is a car in great health, meaning lower bills.
New air filter for it. Doesn't look that bad, does it? God, that oil's fairly clean. I wouldn't say that was mucky oil, that. It's been looked after, this car, yeah.
Croft on tees, and our top tier Vauxhall is continuing what we hope is a bargain basement restoration. Its biggest fan, Kel, is sprucing up the bodywork, which is covered in scratches.
Just knocking off the top coat to bring the shine back up again. That's all I'm doing. I don't want to be going too far, because if I go too far, you end up burning through the paint, and then you've got to repaint it. And I ain't doing that. Oh.
That's night and day, isn't it, already?
Yeah. This is going to look a nice car. And the thing is, the bottom line is, at the end of the day, you're only going to get the same price as what you paid for it in the first place. Only it's going to be shinier. There's an actual scratch there. It's sort of like it goes round there, and then there's a bit down there, and then it comes up here. I can't tell how deep it is, but I'll find out once I hit it with this. I have, it's totally gone, that scratch.
You're a wizard, Kel.
Thank you very much. I'm here all week.
And the paintwork isn't the only bit of the Omega that's going to look as good as new. The alloy wheels have been shipped up the road to Stockton-on-Tees. Romax are in the business of returning alloys to pristine condition. Max is, unsurprisingly, the name of the bloke that runs the place.
The four wheels have come into us that weren't really that bad. Bit of grazing on two of them, but a nice set of wheels. We do get a lot of wheels with cracks in and bent or anything like that, but after an inspection, they were a nice set of wheels, nice starting point. and we're going to turn them into something that looks like new.
Max and his team have the process of refurbing wheels down to a fine art. The alloys are looking like $1 million, but with an invoice of a lot less. This is all helping our potential profit. Work on our Vauxhall Omega is almost complete. Finishing touches are being applied, roof to wheels and boot to bonnet. With the car just about finished, thoughts turn to the upcoming auction.
It's better than a good car. It is fantastic. But it's not everybody's cup of tea.
Is it your cup of tea?
Yes, but I ain't buying it.
Our fully loaded Omega has successfully hit this month's target and delivered a stripped-out bill. The initial outlay, with the inevitable tax and commission, came to £4,033. Labour set us back £834. £854 went on parts and materials. Total expense claim £5,721. And our executive Omega is back at head office, primed for promotion in the auction, with a fresh MOT certificate to add to the CV.
I cannot ever remember a bad driving Omega. There's another 100,000 miles waiting to go on that car. Flawless. Brilliant.
I mean, what's it going to be worth realistically?
4.5 grand. 4 grand. They're a lovely old car. They are. You've got almost Jaguar luxury that ain't going to go wrong every other week, haven't you? Well, it'd be interesting to see what it achieves on the day, won't it?
Yeah.
Here we go. And lot number 288 is the Omega Elite, the V6 Omega. Here we are. So we've got £3,600 Nair Jack. We've got 3,006, 37, 38, 39, 4,000, 41, and 42 there on the screen there. 4,002.
So we're only a grand off.
£4,200 in Devon. 4,003. Devon, you're out. 4,003. 4,4. This could be a small loss for you, which makes a change.
Yeah.
4,6. 4,7. 4,8. 4,9. 5,000.
Oh, hey, come on.
This is close.
At £5,200. At 5,003. Are we all done then? At £5,300, 5,4.
Oh.
5,4.
Yeah.
£5,500. But at 5,005.
Well, I think that's an all-round great result. I really, really do.
New owner Ian Nicol is about to drive it back home to Scotland. He seems to have come dressed for a roadside breakdown.
Problem, Ian?
Yes. It's not starting. I think the battery's flat.
Oh, right.
So one of the boys is away for a jump pack. Right. So we'll try that and hopefully we'll get it up the road.
So is this for you then?
This was a car I wanted as a young man and eventually got one.
Will you drive it?
No. It'll go every year for an MOT. And it's a local garage. It's 3.5 miles from my house to the garage and then back. But no, I won't drive it. It is just for people my friends, to admire. And we can sit, have a coffee, talk nonsense. That's what we do in Scotland anyway. I don't know about down south.
And with that, the Omega is off north.
Hey, thanks very much. Have a good journey. I'll do my best.
To enjoy retirement in which it will drive 7 miles a year. We think it'll cope.